Today's video is of the METEX MH22V milling machine and is brought to you by Red Fox Machinery, redfoxmachinery.com.au.
G'day, I'm Gary from Red Fox Machinery, and today we're going to take a look at the METEX MH22V Mill Drill machine. Love this little machine, one of my favourites because of the accuracy. 0.015 of a mil in the drill sleeve due to the tapered roller bearings. Also because of the BT20 spindle that it has. So very accurate work can be done and very versatile from your first mill at home. If you're learning how to do accurate work, that's not going to be a problem on this machine. Or if you're involved in mold manufacturing, medical manufacturing, making printed circuit board PCBs, this machine can do all of that to a high degree of accuracy. Very good spindle, dual speed, high and low, and variable speed. It's got everything that you want in a little milling machine.
Now we'll bring you in a bit closer so you can see exactly how this machine works. I love this little lockout tag here. It's great for locking out your machine and making sure no one can use that. You've got your emergency stop button here up the top. You've got your digital display here as well. Variable speed, so very easy to adjust speed. You can see that is not in the RPM, but if we flick that over, you can adjust the RPM there and you can display your RPM nice and easy. The other display is actually for your depth with a lock mechanism, so when you're milling side to side, that's very easy to be able to complete your task in an accurate manner. With that digital depth, that will be able to show you exactly where that depth is in metric or inch imperial. Very easy to adjust the head height, very easy to adjust the table. With the table, you've got 700 by 180 width, and you've got 480 mil of x-axis travel, which is more than enough at 175 y-axis front to back. Your head to table is 270, so it is quite considerable in that range there as well. You've also got your LED light there on your control panel, which makes it very easy for lighting up dark situations. You can also hear that is an exceptionally quiet machine. That's in low gear at the moment for the spindle speed. Go anywhere from 50 RPM, and then in high speed anywhere up to 3000 RPM. So a complete variable range there as well. Your lockout safety, so you can't start that with your chuck cover open. Extended arm here to make sure that that is nice and strong. Start that up again. We can lock the micro spindle in so that you can use your micro spindle to be able to rotate your spindle down to 0.5 of a mil. Lovely and accurate there as well. Adjustable gear blocks on every axis, X, Y, and Z, obviously. Tiltable, rotatable head from 0 to 60 degrees on each side, so that again you can get those repeatable angles for manufacturing, or from a home hobbyist point of view, being able to do everything in the range that you possibly might need for your first milling machine. Back to the table, you've got your end stops there which you can maneuver so that you can use your guide there on the front to be able to stop machining. They can also be utilised if you fit a X-axis DRO. The table is precision machine. You can see how perfectly flat that is. Comes with M12 or 12 mil T-slots for an M10 clamping kit. And if we have a look underneath the bellows here, which always love the bellows, you can see that we have a dovetail column, and you can see on there that the table on the dovetail column for the Y and the Z has been hand crafted as well.
You'll also have double row angular contact ball bearings in each axis. They're adjustable without play and readjustable feed spindle play as well. So everything can be made even more accurate than what comes out of the box. Out of the box, obviously we get the machine as it sits here on a foot stand with the swarf catching tray, so that if you wish to utilize a coolant system, you can do that as well. We have drilling capacity through to 20 mil in mild steel and a maximum cutter head of 52 mil. Your maximum milling cutter is 12 mil, and your spindle holding fixture is the BT20, as I mentioned, with a 7:24 taper ratio with a small flange diameter. Okay, what that means is it's going to be exceptionally accurate and very easy to swap in and out tooling. No need for a drawbar. It is pull stud, which again makes life nice and easy. That's what all of the high-end CNC machines will use, especially in the smaller sizes, so that they are very accurate. The distance from our spindle to our column is 160 mil, and our distance from our spindle nose to table is 370 mil. Over this side, you can see that we have the electrical chain here, which will help with the head going up and down. You can also see in each axis there is pre-machined grooves for the magnetic strips, so that you can add a 3-axis DRO with magnetic strips. For more information, head to redfoxmachinery.com.au and you can download the manual for this lovely machine. If you would like to speak to us, give us a call, 0399 387011, or drop us an email, sales@redfoxmachinery.com.au, or drop into our Braeside showroom and you can see this machine in action. Thank you.